The remote start operating range is approximately 200 feet from the vehicle. For remote start to function, the car must be in park with the ignition off and all doors must be closed and locked. Laws in some communities and states may restrict or forbid the use of remote starters or require a person using remote start to have the vehicle in view. Check local regulations for any requirements. To start the vehicle remotely, press the lock button on the key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the engine start button for at least 2 seconds. The engine will start, the parking lights will turn on, and the automatic heater and air conditioning system will begin heating or cooling the vehicle depending on the outside temperature, the in-car temperature, and the last user mode. During this period, the heater and air conditioning display and buttons will not operate until the ignition switch is turned on. The engine will run for 20 minutes and then turn off. Press the engine start button on the key fob at any time until the parking lights turn off to cancel the remote engine start. After one remote start, the ignition switch must be cycled from on to off before remote start can be used again. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.